Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have some stuff for the blue truck here from our friends over at Lasfit. So I actually got there this morning before we left. It is pretty early, but stuff actually got there this morning. So we're gonna get back. We're gonna go ahead and get these installed in the truck, and stick around to the end of the video. We'll check them out at night, see how they look. So y'all know, in this truck, I got some aftermarket headlights for it that have switchbacks built in with running lights. Well, we reused the amber turn signal bulbs. So our friends over at Lasfit sent us some of their new, like brand new to the market switchbacks that we're going to be installing in the truck. So with that being said, I do have a discount code for Lasfit that I will throw up here on the screen if y'all want to check them out. So it does help me a little bit, I will say. I'll be completely honest with y'all. I do get a little kickback if y'all do order using that link or that discount code. So I would appreciate it. But anyway, let's get back to the house and we will get these installed. All right. So to get started here, pop the hood, because you do have to take your headlights out. But these trucks are pretty easy. So you got this little thing, you remove it. I will show you on this side what you can do is you can take them, pull them up, over, and then work them down. You don't have to take that screw out. You have a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. And then back here, there's a pin here, and there's a pin here. So take these three bolts out. I'll get y'all a size on those here in just a second. And you will have to pull out to get these out. But all in all, not too bad at all. So we'll get this one out, and I gotta run in the house, grab the new bulbs, and I'll show you all those as well. All right, so these are 10s. But here we have our new Lasfit bulbs. So, kind of interesting design on these. But regardless, like I said, 3 bolts, 2 pins. So take those out. You'll have to pop the headlight out. But all in all, they're not too bad to do. All right, so we got the driver's side one swapped. So this is turn signal. Now, if you turn the turn signals off and just go to running light, you can see there. So instead of the amber, nice, clean, looks good. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this other one swapped. Fairly easy. Now, it is a good idea to go ahead and test them before you put them back together, as I've always kind of said. But like I said, they're not too bad. The old bulbs twist out of the back of the headlight. You pull them out of the socket, put the new ones in the socket, you twist them back in, and you're good to go. So anyway, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get this one swapped, and well, I'll show y'all what the finished product looks like, and also, like I said, stick around to the end of the video and I will show y'all what these look like at night. All right, guys, so a little bit of a snag. So we'll put the passenger side in, and the turn signal doesn't work. Running light works, but turn signal does not. So I figured, instead of taking this one back out and putting the other bulb back in, this would actually be a really good opportunity to, I did send them an email, by the way, and I'll show you all this bulb. But anyway, I figured this would be a good opportunity to show you all the difference at night as well. So we left that one in. I'll probably leave it, or maybe we'll swap it out tomorrow. But this bulb does have a, I don't know if that's like a burnt spot or something shorted, or I honestly have no clue. But I did send them a message, so we'll see what they come up with. But the running light works, but the signal doesn't. So like I said, I will catch y'all later on when it's dark, because I mean, it's early in the morning still. It's not going to be dark for a little while. But like I said, I will catch y'all when it gets dark. We'll take a look at these at night. And again, this is a prime opportunity to show y'all the difference at night between the two. So anyway, like I said, I'll catch y'all here in a bit, and we'll take a look at what we got. All right, so it is now later at night. The truck is right here, but just hitting the unlock on the key. Now, I know the camera doesn't show it real well from here because the LED headlights are super bright. But come over here. Now we'll show y'all. So it's also super humid out here. But as far as running light goes, and in person, they're the same color. I don't know why they look different. There we go. So they are the same color, but very bright. Come over here. Signal. So very happy. Now I will turn just the park lights on. That way y'all can see that. We'll let the headlights will go off here in a second. But yeah, so and you can just barely see the amber over here, like barely. So we'll step back and look at the, the difference here, night and day. And then I'll hit the flashers. Now, when we installed these taillights are super nice. I like these. But when we installed these, this one hyper flashes for whatever reason. So I kind of fully expected these to hyper flash, and this one does. So that's kind of that. But they do have built-in resistors. They are supposedly CAN bus compliant, but I can't tell you because that taillight has been hyper flashing since we put the taillights in. So for a little while now. But I'll turn these on. Sorry, neighbors. We'll do this quick. But very big difference, as you can see. So like I said, we'll go ahead and cut this off. That way the neighbors don't completely hate me. But like I said, all in all, very happy. So again, big thank you to our friends over at Lasfit for sending these out. I do have some new LED headlights on the way from them. It's like a new series, so those should be here Saturday. Today is actually Friday now because it's like 1 a.m. But anyway, like I said, those should be here Saturday. The radio for the 6.0 should also be here Saturday, so kind of excited about that. But that should be here Saturday, so we're gonna be pulling these back out again. And I did email them about the one bulb not working right, so or actually send them a message on Instagram because that's kind of where I've been talking with them. But regardless, they are asking around for me and whatnot, so we'll see what we can figure out about that. But guys, I think that is probably going to be a wrap for this one. So again, I will leave a link down below if you want to check out Lasfit There will also be a discount code down there as well. Again, I do get a little bit of a commission if y'all use that, but it does save y'all some money as well. So I would appreciate it. And again, you'll be saving yourself some money. So anyway, guys, like I said, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or find it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.